Hello foodies, today we'll be making fish stew. While I make this meal today, I want to share a story I recently come across with you guys. This story is about a woman who cook every day with so much love, even when her heart was breaking. Her husband had been cheating for years. At first, it was something hidden, like the woman was not aware of it. Later, e get to a point when the woman find that he totally stopped pretending. People around her even saw it. She was embarrassed, angry, tired, but yet she stayed. Not because she was weak, but because she did not know what to do. She is not financially okay and she don't want to live with nothing. How will she take care of herself and the kids? But yet, somewhere deep inside her, she wished her husband would change. Every time she boiled rice or turned a pot of soup, she would be thinking, when will my life taste sweet again? But no one knew. They just praised her food and her cooking. She kept cooking for a man who is breaking her spirit. She wasn't a bad person. She was the kind of woman who gave her all, her time, her loyalty, her youth, and even her strength, and also her heart. She believed in working together to build a perfect relationship. And every evening, while she take care of her household, she do it not just as a duty, but for comfort. She believed that maybe, just maybe, love would grow through sacrifice, but instead she kept pouring from an empty cup. Her husband no longer hid his betrayal. At first she cried, then she begged, but one day she simply cooked in silence, not because she was okay, but because she was tired. Tired of asking someone to see her, tired of being told that she was overreacting. She made this exact fish stew on the day she finally admitted to herself it's not going to change. And still, she seasoned it well. Still, she made sure the pepper was balanced because her pain didn't change who she was. And they say women are strong, but why must strength always mean enduring suffering quietly? Why must they learn how to smile through betrayal as if their tears doesn't matter or count? To every woman who have ever cooked or take care of her household while holding back tears, to every wife who wonder what else can I do to be enough, this story is yours. And even if the world doesn't see you, I do. And one day you will see yourself again. Let me ask us, sister to sister, woman to woman, how long should a woman keep taking care of her family and cooking through pain before she chooses herself? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. I would like to know. Thank you for watching up to this point. I hope we enjoy this recipe and also this story. Leave your thoughts about this fish stew in the comment section and also about the story. Also give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have coming across it for the first time. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all. I really appreciate. I will see you next time with another mouth-watering recipe and story. Until then, keep slaying and be happy. Bye.